Good afternoon, dear student.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, welcome my today online class. And today I will teach the chapter number 5. Chapter number 5. Okay. The chapter name is the fundamental unit of life. Okay. The fundamental unit of life. That's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today our topic have a cell number. Okay. So the living organism can be classified as unicellular or multicellular based on the number of cells they consist. Okay. So I have asked one question. Asking one question. Okay. So what is a unicellular organism? Anyone? Yes, Samir.
Unicellular organism is made up of one cell.
Very good. Sit down. And what is multicellular organism? Yes, Sakshi.
The multicellular organism is made up of group of cells.
Very good. Okay. So, student, the unicellular organism means, okay, the organisms, okay, the organisms made up of, okay, made up of a single cell, okay, made up of a single cell are called unicellular organism. Okay, unicellular organism. Okay, and unicellular organism known as single cell organism. That's clear?
Yes,
Unicellular organism known as other word in single celled organism. That's clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Very good. So the student, okay, a single cell is capable of carrying out all the essential process of life. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Some examples of unicellular organisms are bacteria, yeast, and amoeba. Okay. Some example of unicellular organisms have a amoeba.
Bacteria.
Okay. Amoeba and
Bacteria.
and other protozoans. Okay. And amoeba and yeast. Okay. That's clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So next topic have a multicellular organism. Okay. So the organism made up of the organisms made up of
Group of cells.
group of cells, okay, and many cells, okay, more than one cell, okay, or more than one cell, okay, made up of more than one cell, okay, or several cells, okay, or several cells. That's clear?
Yes,
Made up of
sir.
more cells or one or more cells, okay, and or several cells are called okay, multicellular organism. Multicellular organisms. That's clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
So there are some example of multicellular organism: plants, okay, animals.
Human beings.
Very good, Samir. Plants, animals just like human beings, okay, human beings, okay. So, and
birds also, sir.
birds also, very good. And students, we have compared between unicellular and multicellular organism. Okay, so this side have a unicellular organism. Okay, and this side have a multicellular organism. That's clear?
Yes,
So, student, about unicellular organism, they have a single cell. Okay? They have a single cell. They have a single cell. Okay? And multicellular organism, they consist of many cells. They consist of many cells. Okay? They consist of many cells, and they have single cell. Okay, that's clear?
Yes.
They have single cell. Okay, after then size of cell 1 to 10 micro. Size of cell 1 to 10 micro. Okay, and micrometer. Okay, 1 to 10 micrometer. And the multicellular organism cell have 5 to 100 micrometer. Okay, size have 5 to 100 micrometer. That's clear? 5 to 100 micrometer. Okay, then a single cell capable in unicellular organism of performing all the life process. Okay, or performing all life process. Okay, a single cell capable performing all life process. Okay, all life processes. That's clear?
Yes, sir.
And a multicellular organism, division of and a single cell carries out one or few process. Okay, a single cell carries out. A single cell carries out. Okay, one or few process. Okay, after then the cell division occurs by fission and budding. Okay, cell division occur by budding and fission. Okay, budding and fission. Okay, and multicellular organism cell division occur by mitosis or meiosis. Occur by mitosis or meiosis. Mitosis or meiosis. That's clear?
Yes.
All of you? Okay. So unicellular organism, their lifespan is very short. Okay? Unicellular organism lifespan is very short. Okay? Lifespan is very short. Okay, in unicellular organism. In multicellular organism, the lifespan is very long. Okay, the lifespan is very long. Okay, clear all of you? And any injury to the cell, it can cause death of an organism. Any injury. Okay? In any cellular organism, any injury to cell can cause the death of organism. Okay? And the multicellular organism. About multicellular organism, injury or damage to some cells does not affect the organism, as the affected cells are replaced with a new ones. Okay? So students, regarding these topics, any doubt? Any cellular organism or multicellular organism? All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these topics have done. Okay? Have a nice day. Good day.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.